Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How are you doing? I'm going to do another machinery tour. It's 3, I think. As you can see, we are in a different place this time. I'm cleaning up my camera opportunity now. So as you can see, we are in a different place. I was close to mail. Yeah, so let's start with the machinery tour part 3. So this here is a Stewart float. Well, I personally call it a Stewart float, but some people call it a livestock trailer. So that's basically what it is. So basically, we use this for like getting animals some places, and yeah, so the livestock trailer is really is good. The Stewart float is basically for livestock based stuff. So you can take it to your hair, you can take it to somewhere else and stuff like that. Yeah, so on to the next, guys, we've got a JCB 586 60 Agri Plus. This is our yellow loader that's on the farm. I won't show you the number plate, but here it is. It's a good loader. I'm just using this right now to get some cellulose bales. Here's the cab of the machine. Yep, with my body warmer. And here's a spike on the front. Now this is the load all kind of thing. So yeah, it's got the connector for that thing. It's got big alloy wheels, 4 alloy wheels. Got a diesel tank. Got a window. Got a beacon. Beacon doesn't work. So. I got a mirror, which you can see me on it. Hello. Hi. Yeah, that's basically the JCB Loadall 586 60 Agri Plus. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. We got like a buck rake, an old Land Rover, an old Fraser slurry tanker and stuff like that, old trailer, stuff like that. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. There'll be plenty more coming. So please stay tuned for that. I'll see you later in the next one. Bye bye.